Thanks for joining us for the news at 10. Attorneys in the lori-vallow-Daybell trial narrowed down their jury pool to the needed 42 potential jurors today. In fact, they got a few more just in case.
Vallow-Daybell is the Rexburg mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee, and her husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell. From 42 potential jurors, the defense and prosecution will now eliminate more jurors tomorrow. They want to get down to that final 18, which is 12 jurors and 6 alternates.
Yeah, exactly. Questioning called peremptory strikes begins tomorrow morning. That's essentially where attorneys can dismiss jurors they don't think will help their case without having to explain why. After that, attorneys will prepare for the next phase of the trial, opening statements. Those are expected to start Monday morning. Come Monday, for the first time, the public will get a glimpse at what's to come in this trial.
Ryan Black, a criminal defense attorney, says opening statements are an opportunity for both sides to kind of give the jury a roadmap. Attorneys won't be arguing, though, at that time.
The prosecution will get up and they will explain, here are my main characters. Here's what I expect you will hear from each one of these people. And it's important, the judge will also explain this too. An opening is not argument. It's simply a kind of appetizer of facts.
The prosecution will go first, then the defense has a chance. However, the defense does not have to give their opening statement. They can wait until the prosecution presents all its evidence and then open their case. Once the prosecution starts, Black says it's important for jurors to keep an open mind and not make any decisions until all the evidence is presented.
I do this for a living as a criminal defense attorney, and so I have a hard time with true crime a lot of the times just because we want to know everything. We want to know what's happening. We want to know right now. And so to make those conclusions and make those speculations early on in a case like this, when it's saying it's going to take 8 weeks, that means they have an incredible amount of information to present that we probably aren't privy to at all yet.
Meantime, a judge ruled yesterday the grandmother of JJ Vallow will be allowed inside the courtroom for Vallow-Daybell's trial. Kay Woodcock, that'd be JJ's grandma, will be allowed in, but her husband, Larry Woodcock, that's JJ's grandfather, will not be allowed in the courtroom, at least initially.
This stems from a motion on who is and is not considered a victim. Larry will be allowed to be inside the courtroom after he testifies as a witness.
You can get live updates from Vallow-Daybell's trial. We're going to be putting them up on our website throughout the next 2 months. And for all of our coverage, scan the QR code that's on your screen right now, or you can just check out our website, ktvb.com. You can also find it at the KTVB app or KTVB Plus.